those people never seen and never heard. Let's promote body positivity and let's celebrate diversity. My name is Nikki Della Smith, all the way from the city of Lao, Iloilo City. The next sabi, di man ako kasing sexy ng ibang kandidata or ng iyong ganan. Malay niyo, ako ang kuya niyo. Hello, good evening. Yes, all of you are glad because of my diction and my pronunciation. But my mom told me that don't judge the book by its cover. Maayong gabi, or should I say good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Laris Gavnapil, all the way last from Project Court, Quezon City. I am undergraduate of Tourism Management at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, but tonight, please do allow me to step by the name. One of the most precious faces in the Philippine cinema and who captured the heart of Mr. James Reid. Opo, ako nga po, Binibini Nadine Lustre. At naniniwala po na malapit na po akong maging taga rito dahil ang tumihag ng aking pihikang puso ay taga-Barangay. Ayan siya, oh. Thank you and good evening.
Kundi may sariling kasaysayan dito sa ating bansa dahil sa dayo ako ng aking pinanggalingan, pinagmulan at pinagdaanan. Nais ko pong imungkahi sa inyo na opo, bakla ako, pero hindi bakla lang dahil ang baklang nasa inyong harapan ay isang pong tunay na diplomado at isang pong tunay na dating lingkod bayan. What a glamorous and spectacular ending! People of Barangay San Roque, hello, hi, mabuhay. But first, let you allow me to introduce myself. Recording of my credentials. No awake. It's all legitimate. I am Alexa Blind, Malones the baby in real life, and I am 24. And I'm proud because I graduated as a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino at IRIS, Manila, and I'm also proud panel of Board of Judges, Madam and Sir, and sa audience tonight that I am legitimate, magna cum laude. Thank you so much, and I'm also proud because I am the first transgender who elected the former barangay SK chairman of my beloved barangay, which is Barangay Layala Heights, Quezon City, Banson Line. Since this is the pageant, distinguished panel of educators, let me allow you to stand by the name, the one and only, your favorite Pilipining Pilipinas 2022 first runner-up. May 10 bubuyog na kong narinig. Asan na nga po ba ang bato ni Darna? My name is Monica Garcia, and I'm proud to say that I'm 28 years of age. And I believe that I mo ang shabu, marijuana cookie, kung wala ka na kadyan. Thank you.
Pinanggalingan ang baho ng mind. Joke lamang po. I always believe that the physical attribute of a person in time will change, but the goodness of the heart will remain forever. A pleasant and a wonderful evening to each and everyone and in between. Good evening, panel board of judges. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. My name is Nadi Marie Fernandez, and I'm 28. All the way last from Binyan City, province of Laguna. But for tonight, this is a pageant. So please do allow me to stand by the ring para sa babaeng minsang lumipad sa iyong papawid at lumunok ng puting bato bilang si Darna. ang babaeng minsan sumisid sa karagatan bilang si Jezebel. Opo, ako nga po ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihigang puso ni Mr. Digdong Dantes. Ang babaeng nagpapaalala na kailanman walang rewind ang buhay. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at iyawan sapagkat ngayong gabi nasa inyong harapan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera na nagsasabing ang pagiging isang bakla kailanman po'y hindi nagiging sama sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng madla. Huwag ka lamang pong gagawa ng sarili mo ikasasama. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi.
Good evening. Tonight is the gathering of all the beauty icons all over the Philippines. Battling for one crown, one title, and there's a pageant begins. There's a simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? And behind the question of true beauty, that's why God will witness the metamorphosis of the struggling counterfeit art transformed in the wonderful gloomy butterfly. Hello, hi, mabuhay. My real name is Yari Hernandez and I am 23 years old in Thunder, who journey all the way down from Bago Bantay, Quezon City.
all when it is hope, peace, and unity. A gorgeous evening to each and every one of you. The lady standing in front of you is a lady right now who align the star for tonight. And I mean not the lady who were always as well you watch on the televisions for Super Serena, but this woman is one of the operation.
Pageants like this makes history, and history always repeats itself. Tonight, my beloved audiences, judges, help me. I want to be part of your pageant history to make it my story. My name is Kim Bermudez Morales,
Be yourself. Show your true colors and avoid negativity. And let yourself shine and radiate to humanity. And that comes with a greatness and follows respect and acceptance. Just marhain na mag-isip to the boss, or should I say, good evening people of San Joaquin Quezon City. Standing in front of you as a fresh 22-year-old stunner, all the way from the South Summer capital of Rinconada, province of Camarines Sur, municipality of Manatan. This is Marbella Español Gamarda, saying that my heart is always whispering that this competition is not based by who you are and what you look like, because true beauty is the collaboration of this